Getting started with easy texting. First, you'll want to gather and upload your contacts. Bulk uploading is the fastest way to get all of your current contacts into your account. Click on the Upload button in the Contacts menu. It's best to already have your file ready for upload before going any further. To make it easier for you, we have included a contact list template you can download by simply clicking on the handy template link. Make sure when you're finished entering your contacts into the template, you save the spreadsheets as a .csv file. You can now drag your contact spreadsheet into the field to upload it, or browse for the file by clicking Select a File. Make sure the information from your file matches the information of the system headers. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Continue. Select the group to which the uploaded contacts will be placed. There is also an option to create a new group. You will have to agree to the terms and conditions before clicking on Finish. Your contacts will now display under the Contacts and Groups page. You may also add contacts manually. Click on the Add Contacts button in the Contacts and Groups page, and then simply enter in your contacts information. When finished, click Create. This will bring you back to the Contacts page, where you can see all the details of your contacts in the display table. There is also an option for clients to add themselves to your contact lists. This is done primarily through keywords, which enable the text-to-join functionality. Your free trial includes a keyword. When customers text your keyword, for example, promotions, to the number you give them, they're automatically added to your account in the group you select and receive your customized auto-response. To set up your demo keyword, click Keywords and Numbers in the navigation panel. Then click on Add Keyword. Type the keyword you want in the text box and click Search. If the keyword you request is available, you will have the option to click Activate Keyword. Next, connect your keyword to a group. The final step is to send a message. To send a message, select the New Message option. Choose the group or groups to send to. Next, write your message and choose whether you want to send it right away or schedule it for a later time. Click Review Message to review the message before sending. If everything looks good, click Send Message. A notification will be displayed ensuring your message was sent. Your contacts will receive your message instantly and can reply just as fast. Replies are routed to your inbox, where you can reply by simply clicking on the message, typing your reply, and clicking Send. Congratulations! You've now officially started using easy texting. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.